Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will introduce you to one of my cousin brother. He is a blacksmith. He makes guns, machete, spear, a lot of things. Today he will be making my machetes. I will show you the process how he makes my machete. It's beautiful after the rain here. I have reached my cousin brother's house. He has a nice view of the village. This is the place where he makes guns, dao and all. Go. He's making a new gun. This is my old dao. I told him to repair this in a different shape, a little bit. This is also my old dao. I want to make it smaller. I will show you how he will make this too. Ini I will show you all his tools which he used to make guns, big knife, spear and everything. This is how it looks like now. He's making the downside shape to put it inside the bamboo. This is bamboo for the handle of this small knife. May tục bông yo, kinh cử bờ rong là xếp chấm. I was talking with my cousin brother. I was asking him how did he started and then from whom he learned. He said that he learned from his father while he was young. He keeps watching his father and he used to work with his father. So now his father is old. He can't work on this anymore. So he takes all the responsibility of making everything. And then I think he's very lucky to learn from his father. This is our lunch for today. Ako man jacham ko achaba ten dan. I love king chili. Siman saya. I have a friend, Mr. Alok. He's very good in cooking.
Thank you.
Yeah, We have one old man. He came here to make his spear. He needs a new spear. I'll show you his spear. It's almost finished now. He's doing the finishing part of the handle. Handle for the bigger one. Both are done, but he will do a finishing again, the last finishing. This is the small one. It's complete now. I love it. This is beautiful. It's sharp. The handle are also very smooth. Finally, it's done. I hope you like it. I like it so much. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thanks for watching, guys.